India versus England. Third ODI match. Start 12 February 2025. Team playing 11. England team playing 11. Number 1 Ben Duckett. Number 2 Phil Salt. Number 3 Joe Root. Number 4 Harry Brook. Number 5 Josh Butler. Number 6 Liam Livingstone. Number 7 Jamie Overton. Number 8 Adil Rashid. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Mark Wood. Number 11 Shakib Mahmood. India team playing 11. Number 1 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 2 Rohit Sharma. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Shubman Gill. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Varun Chakravarti. Number 10 Arshdeep Singh. Number 11 Harshit Rana.